Hi, thanks for dropping in. David Bradley here. Here up on the screen are a collection, a collage of pictures, great pictures that I took one year, like a dog with a humongous tongue. And then there are some lovely, lovely models, and a friend of mine up in the top peeking through a door, and a little girl dumping water on her head, and some back behind the scenes shots from Outlaw Bikers, a TV show by National Geographic, and a train, and lots of things. Oh, and of course, the train crossing picture. Anyway, these are the days when I would drive around. Well, not drive around, but when I was going somewhere, I always had a camera, and I was always ready to pull over if I slide this a bit. And I think I can. Oh, look, there's more people. There's more things. Oh my, that one fellow, I guess he's in there like 3 times. There, up in the top corner, is the burning chair. And other pictures from behind the scenes, outlaw bikers, and anyway, if you shoot pictures, keep shooting. Use a phone, use a camera, whatever you got. You don't need the best. You don't need every lens. You need a well-trained eye. Thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.